Okay, now we'll talk about Newton's first law, which is section 4.2. It is simple. If we have a body, an object, over a horizontal plane, we don't have any vertical forces. If we have any object, then we have a mass. Because if we don't have a mass for any object, then there is no any object. Then this object will have its weight downward. Because the weight is perpendicular to that surface downward, then we have a perpendicular normal force upward, and this normal force is equal to the weight, because we don't have any angle between the surface and the direction of these forces, just 90 degrees. Then the normal force is equal to the weight. So the total y components of the applied forces is equal to 0. Weight equal to the normal force with opposite signs. We don't have any horizontal forces, so the summation or the total parallel force is equal to 0. The mass is stationary, its velocity is equal to 0. 0 is a number is constant. Okay, the total forces are 0 in y direction and in x direction. Let us look at another case now, which is the same object, but it is moving with a constant velocity. Maybe it is moving in the space outside the earth with constant velocity. In the outer space, there is no friction force, there is no applying forces, just the object moving with constant velocity. We have the summation of all forces are equal to 0. We have no horizontal forces and no resultant vertical forces. It is the same state. The mass has a constant velocity equal to c. It is not equal to 0, but it is constant. The total forces are equal to 0. If we have any one of these two systems and the forces are equal to 0 on any object in them, this case will be called equilibrium or a balanced state. This is the meaning of Newton's first law. If the total external forces on an object is 0, or the speed of the object is equal to constant, maybe this constant equal to 0, maybe equal to 5, maybe equal to minus 10. That means if the velocity is constant, then the acceleration is equal to 0. We have no acceleration. If we have no acceleration, then the system is obeying Newton's first law. It is simple. We have no forces, x, y, z components. We have no any force. Then the system is under equilibrium state. Then it goes under Newton's first law. That's it. That is the first Newton law.